Hi kids, are you all fine? Hope all of you are fine. All of you are staying safe. We started our new lesson, division. It is the fourth operation in mathematics. We know the terms related to division, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Dividend is the number that to be divided. Divisor is the number that divides. Remainder is the number that left after division, and quotient is the result we get after division. So now you know how to do a long-term division. Like subtraction and multiplication, we can also check the answer you got by division method. You can check the answer by using an equation, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Today we will study division of a number by using one digit number. Division by using one digit number. Now you have to listen. After the class you can write. Okay. Today we study division of a 4-digit number using a 1-digit divisor. Okay. All of you listen here carefully. All of you look here. Our first question is 8445 divided by 4. How will you do the division? First of all, you have to write down this number in the working column. Divided by 4. 4 is a divisor. I am writing this outside. This is the dividend. It is inside. Then draw. This is mandatory. Draw column like this. Then is 4 a multiple of 8? Yes, we know that 4 into 2 equal to 8. Draw a line. Put subtraction symbol. 8 minus 8. 0. It is a property of subtraction. Then bringing down 4 here. How many times 4 in 4? 4 into 1. So we write 1 here. For accurate division we are using columns. Okay. Then draw a line. Subtraction symbol. 4 minus 4. 0. So this place is over. Then bringing down next 4 here to the next place. Write 4 here. How many times 4 in 4? 1 time. 1 into 4 equal to 4. Draw a line. Subtraction symbol. 4 minus 4. 0. Then bringing down the next digit 5. 5. Is the division over? No. How many times 4 in 5? 1 into 4 equal to 4. Draw a line. Put symbol of subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. Now the division is over. We got the remainder less than the divisor. So the division is over now. There are no more digits in the right side. Okay. So the division is completely over. We got quotient equal to 2111 and a remainder equal to 1. 2111 and remainder 1. Now we can check the answer got in this method by long-term division. Is the answer correct or not? We can check by using an equation. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is our equation to check the answer you got whether it is correct or not. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor means this one into quotient, this, plus if you have any remainder, plus remainder. Here dividend equal to which number? Dividend equal to 8445 equal to divisor which number? 4. 4 into quotient 2111 plus remainder 1, that is equal to 2111 into 4. Find out the answer. 1 into 4, 4. 1 4 is 4. Again 1. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 8444 plus 1. Plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 4. Bringing down this 4 here. 8. 8445. 8445. That is 8445 is the answer. Our answer is correct. Look at the next question. 9240 divided by 8. For this you have to write 9240 in the working column. This is a dividend and we write 8. This is the divisor outside, dividend inside. Then how? Then draw a column. Draw columns like this. This is mandatory only to get accurate division. I am drawing column like this. Okay. How many times is 9 a multiple of 8? No. But a number nearer to the multiple of 8 is 9. 1 8 is 8. Draw a line. Put subtraction symbol. We put subtraction symbol because division is a repeated subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. Bringing down this 2 here to this place. Now it become 12. How many times 8 in 12? Is 12 a multiple of 8? No. How many times 8 in 12? 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. We cannot write 16 here because 12 is less than 16. So we can write 1 here, 1 in this place. 8, not here. Here we write 8. Here we write 0. Draw a line. Put subtraction symbol. 12 minus 8, 4. Here we write 4. Not here. Here we write 4. So I draw line like this. Okay. Here we write 4. Then bringing down this 4 to this place. Now it become 44. How many times 8 in 44? We know that 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. We cannot write 48 here. Instead we write 5. 5 8s are 40. All of you put down your pencil and please listen here. We put subtraction symbol. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. It is 4. Then we bringing down this 0 to this place. Now it becomes 40. How many times 40? 40 is a multiple of 8. We know that 8 5s are 40. I write 5 here, 40 here. Draw a line. Put symbol of subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. We got remainder 0 and quotient 1155. Quotient equal to 1155 and remainder equal to 0. Don't do in point method. We have to write down, exactly write down the quotient and the remainder. So, not do in point method. Okay, that you will study in the 5th standard. Now we can check division by using the equation dividend equal to divisor. We can check the answer. Check the answer. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. While you check the answer, you have to write down this equation also. Okay. Now we can check the answer. Dividend equal to, that is 9240 equal to, what is divisor? Divisor equal to 8 into 1155 plus 0. We can check the answer. Look here, 1155 into 8. 5 8s are 40. We write 0 here, 4 here, 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. We write 4 here, balance again 4. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. We write 2 here. 1 here, 1 into 8, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Look at the answer. The answer is 9240. 9000. We got the answer. We got the dividend 9240. Now, dividend, both the answer and dividend are the same. So, our answer is correct. We can write one more question and check the answer. All of you look at the third question. 7386 divided by 6. For this, you have to write down this dividend in the working column. 7386 inside and 6 outside. Then draw column like this. First, I am taking the first digit. Here it is only one digit. So, I am taking only one digit. How many times 6 in 7? One time. We know that 1 into 6 equal to 6. Draw a line. Put subtraction symbol. 7 minus 6, 1. Bringing down 3 here. We get, now it becomes 13. How many times 6 in 13? How many times? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. I cannot write 18 here because 13 is less than 18. So, we write, I put 2 here, 6 into 2, 12. Draw a line, put symbol of subtraction, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Again, bringing down the next digit 8 here. Now it becomes 18. How many times 6 in 18? Or 18 is a multiple of 6? Yes, we know that 6 3s are 18. So I write 3 here, 18 here. Draw a line. Put symbol of subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Bringing down the next digit 6 to this place. How many times 6 in 6? We know, yes, we know that it is 1. 1 6 is 6. Again draw a line. Put symbol of subtraction. 6 minus 6, 0. So, remainder is 0 and quotient is 1231. Quotient is 1231. Quotient equal to 1231. Remainder, what is the remainder? Remainder equal to 0. Now we can check the answer. For checking, our equation to check the answer is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. How will you check the answer? We write 7386 equal to divisor. Divisor is 6 into quotient. Quotient 1231 plus 0. That is equal to 1231 into 6. Look here. 1 into 6, 6. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. Balance 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Look at the answer. 7386. Here dividend equal to 7386 and we got answer also 7386. So our division is correct. Like this you have to check the answer. I will give for homework. You have to check the answer by this method. You have to write down the equation also.